Here's how to lock chats on WhatsApp. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your WhatsApp account. After signing into your WhatsApp account, now you have to select the chat that you want to lock or hide. WhatsApp now allows you to hide your chats. Just select the chat and then tap on the profile to open it. Now scroll down and you will see the option of chat lock. Now you have to enable this feature. On Android phone, it will ask you to verify your fingerprint, while on iPhone, you can also hide your chats using Face ID. So this was how you can hide your chats on WhatsApp to keep your secret data private. If you like this video, then don't forget to like it and to subscribe our channel.